This video is about how country of origin can be tracked through multi-level recipes and products. In this case we have a tomato sauce which is also going to be used in a meal product. In this recipe we can see that each of the individual ingredients has their country of origin tracked as we entered this data when it was set up as an ingredient, and it has flowed through to the recipe. So the tomatoes are from Australia, the onion is from New Zealand 100%, the seasoning is coming from New Zealand and Australia because it's a blend of from multiple suppliers, and the water that's been used for reconstituting the tomato paste is also coming from Australia because it's reconstituting an Australian ingredient. You'll see on the front ID tab of this product and recipe that this is a linked product, so we're turning this product into an ingredient that can be then added to the next level for a product. I can then search for my linked ingredient and have a look at what the country of origin situation is. So you'll see it here as an ingredient. It has the ingredient listing carried over, and you'll see here the country of origin has been calculated for this linked ingredient. So it's 85% ingredient, 85% Australian ingredients and 15% New Zealand. You'll also see that in this case of a linked ingredient you cannot change the country of origin because it's calculated from the recipe. You know it's a linked ingredient because it has an I on the end of the code up here. We're now looking at the next level recipe, which has a linked ingredient and a single level ingredient. This ingredient is pasta that we purchase, and we're saying it's 100% Italian ingredients. But the pasta sauce that we make on site is 85% Australia and 15% from New Zealand. It's also got the percentages of all the ingredients inside it. If there's any moisture loss, these percentages may change to make them more correct, but these percentages rely on the ingoing weight of each of the ingredients. If we then want to see the percentage of Australian ingredients in our product, we go to view the label. To do this, we go to the pack size tab, press the label view button, and the label will appear. We can see here that it's made in New Zealand from at least 34% Australian ingredients. If we go to the recipe for the meal, tomato sauce with pasta, and change the recipe so there's more pasta, so we make this 80 kilos of pasta and 40 kilos of sauce, and then save it, and we go back and open the label that was there before, it will automatically update itself and the percentage of Australian ingredients will change. So it's constantly updating as you make adjustments in the recipe.